Do you run a manufacturing business, but you can't afford the lost time of sending your team away on training and conferences? Or maybe you are wondering where to get the best manufacturing training resources that will help surmount your unique challenges and grow your brand. Manufacturing Masters is your one stop. Imagine some of the world's leading manufacturing experts helping you chart the course for measurable wins in your business. That's what you get with Manufacturing Masters. We have vetted experts in manufacturing, delivering quick wins for small and mid-sized manufacturers. You get short, bite-sized videos that speak to the point, as well as direct contact with the expert to help implement solutions. We take you through the depths of the manufacturing process, operations, and leadership skills development through our video-on-demand content, which can be shared amongst your teams. And with over 100 experts, more than 500 videos, and new growing content released every 2 weeks, you can start to collect wins in your manufacturing business today. Start your 1-month free trial now.